country, and as well happened about 260 crimes. So I think that's really bad. So recently in Pavlodar happened really bad situation. Teenager from school in Pavlodar killed about three children with knife. Nobody has told about the reason he killed his cousin because of his mental health issues. So children who have no connection with their parents go to crime, and they won't have any regrets and any wicked feelings. From my point of view, that's really bad. Especially in Kazakhstan, happened about more than 100 crimes. So we are blaming parents. They are connected with probably friends and their phone, social media. Especially, I think they have to check their friends' messages. Probably they can call them to drink and drink alcohol or go to party in the evenings, in the night without permission of parents. So the next example is in America. Students go to party at night and they drink. They can do everything.
So the parents must follow their children.
Before giving a child a birth, they need to correct themselves.